we are at EXCON 2023, South Asia's largest event for construction equipment and technology. I am delighted to have with me Mr. Ramesh Palagiri, who is the Managing Director and CEO of WIRTGEN India. So, sir, today India is building fast in an effort to address gaps in its infrastructure that have long held back its economy and has plans to invest around $1.35 trillion to build roads in the next 5 years. So how do you look at this particular opportunity?
I think it's a big growth opportunity for India, at least for the next 20-25 years, because what we are talking even today is building infrastructure between cities. And that once we complete that, there's a big opportunity in urban infrastructure also.
So how is your company prepared to grab this particular opportunity?
No, we are well prepared to grab this opportunity because we are the market leaders as far as road building machines and road rehabilitation machine technology is concerned. And we have full-fledged operations in India for the last 28 years. We have a manufacturing base in Pune, which is a global manufacturing hub to cater to Indian market and also for exports on an equal basis. And we are also continuously introducing new technologies which are relevant for our market, whether it's in asphalt paving or concrete paving.
So while you are talking about developing new technologies and digitalization is core of, it has become a core of every sort of technological development today. So digital construction has emerged as a game changer in road and highway infrastructure projects also. So could you tell us more about the advantages of digitalization, bringing digitalization in the project segment?
So there are two areas what we are focusing in the Wirtgen Group. One is sustainability and second is digitalization. Sustainability is something very simple, in terms of how we can do the same job by reducing waste, reducing cost, and also reducing emissions. And there we are already focusing on new technologies like inline pave, hot-on-hot asphalt, where there's a lot of saving in asphalt, bitumen, and overall speed of work, tack coats, etc. And even on the recycling, for rehabilitation of the roads, we are now introducing a new technology in the recycling called CR, hold in place recycling. It's an in situ where we're able to recycle 100% of the aggregates, and thereby, it's a sustainability stuff. Now coming to digitalization, we have launched the Operations Center. Operations Center is a tool of John Deere and Wirtgen Group, and this is our digital tool for the construction industry. And here, how it helps the industry is, we are able to connect machines, where the milling machine data will get transferred to the paver, and the paver data gets transferred to the compactor. And here, with this transfer of data, it is much easier to complete the job, more accurate job, and increased quality of job and faster construction.
Does it even help in real-time monitoring of the performance of a machine?
Real-time monitoring is already there, which is basic telematics, that is there in all the machines now. I'm talking of the next level in terms of how the machine data, for example, once you mill a road, the profile of the road what you mill, that data gets transferred to the paver, right? And the paver on its own will adjust the screen to ensure that the right thickness, right profile is made based on the data what is coming from the milling machine, not based on the skill set of the operator.
Right.
Similarly, from the paver to the, from the paver, the data goes to the asphalt plant. If there's a temperature correction in asphalt, that takes place. And similarly, from the paver to the compactor, in terms of what vibration frequency, how many passes.
Right.
So all this helps in the overall construction.
Even the analysis of this particular data, what you are gaining while developing a road project, so will it even help in maintaining that also?
Yes. What I explained to you is basically rehabilitation, which is maintenance of the road projects.
Right. So there is lots of discussion happening on the electric front, electrifying of construction machinery. So is there something happening even on the road machinery segment also?
Two segments here. One is the stationary machines, or predominantly machines which are stationary. Those machines are already moving to the hybrid model. Right. For example, all our Cleman equipment which we manufacture in India, right, they are hybrid machine where you can connect to the grid. As far as mobile machinery is concerned, I think my feeling is it will start with the smaller machines because of the capacity of the batteries, the number of hours it can last, and also the cost. Because cost is also a very important factor. I think electrification will come, but it will come at its own pace.
WIRTGEN always, it is known for the bringing innovative technologies in its particular segment. So what sort of technology you foresee for the years to come, especially when you talk about 2024?
I think there's a big shortage of skilled operators. So whatever I explained to you with our operations center, this is a digital construction tool, and which helps in faster construction, more accurate construction, getting a quality job. At the same time, keeping the road authorities and the owner informed of what is happening on the job site, sitting in his office. So these are some of the new technologies on the digital front. What do we do? On the machine front, I think we are the market leader in innovation as far as road machinery is concerned, and we will continue to invest in this field and come with relevant technologies.
I've been privileged to visit your facility as well as see the technology day showcases. So, what sort of expansion plan you have for the Indian market?
No, as our Pune plant now is a global manufacturing hub. I'm saying global because more than 50% of what we produce, we export to 95 countries. So we are now expanding the factory, the next phase, and that will be ready by next September. And we'll be getting more products which will be produced in India, both for market India and also for export.
So it's a greenfield or what sort of?
No, it's a brownfield. It's an existing plant we are expanding.
Any particular category of product you are going to develop here?
We're adding machines on the ham side and also on the cleaning side.
Yes. So, what's your focus for road construction industry as well as for Wirtgen India in the years to come?
The road construction industry in India will have a steady growth, 10 to 12%. We will not have phenomenal growth. It will be a slow and steady growth, and as I said, it will continue for the next 20 years. We have a vision 2030, and we are going as per that.
Can you be very specific about the vision 2030? What exactly
In 2030, our vision is to become a $1 billion company in India.
And where do you stand today?
We are roughly at around close to 300 million.
Right. So thank you so much for sharing your enthusiasm and insights with us. We wish you the best for EXCON 2023. I'll also have a great year 2024.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.